My name is Aakash Vaswani. I did my Bachelor's of Technology in Information Technology from Nirma University. I'm a fresher. I have secured my admission at XLRI Jamshedpur for the Business Management Program this year. I scored 99.59 percentile in the XAT aptitude test. Other than that, I had calls from NMIMS, MDI, NEET, and CAT-IIMs. Endeavor has helped me a lot during this preparation because I believe that the best thing about Endeavor is their pedagogy and their teaching style. They make sure that a student becomes more and more efficient day by day. So they make you a better person at solving questions each and every day with each and every class. So that's the best thing about Endeavor. At Endeavor, we had given close to 25 mock CATs along with 5 mock NMATs, 5 IFTs, and 5 mock snaps as well. So the best part was that all the mocks varied in difficulty levels. So the thing is, you cannot predict the difficulty level of any examination. So when you vary the difficulty level, you actually get a hang of different examination patterns that can be there, different difficulty level questions that can be there. So it helped me a lot in understanding, okay, this mock was, the actual exam was close to mock 5. So it helped a lot in that area. I was a part of 2 mock PIs and 3 mock GDs for XLRI. And I remember that my actual interview was very, very close to my mock, because I remember that in my actual interview, I was asked mathematics related questions, and in my mock as well, I was asked mathematics related questions. So in my actual interview, I was not very nervous, whereas my peers or my other colleagues there in the interview were very nervous. So that helped me a lot because Endeavor could replicate the interview very well, actual interview. In my mock interview, so one of the panelists said that go with guesstimates, try solving some guesstimates. And when in the actual interview, they asked me 2 guesstimate questions and one of the same that was asked in my mock. So that was a very good memory that I have, that I remembered exactly how to do that question. So that was one memory that I have. The mentors at Endeavor are very helpful because they continuously push you to be better. So I specifically remember going to one of my mentors and asking him whether my approach to a particular question was right or not. So he said that it's right, but it's taking you close to a minute to solve that problem. And if you take another approach, it will save 30 seconds of your time. So that is very crucial. They help you become more and more efficient, as I said, day by day. So they provide you constant support, whether it's any preparation related issue or any subject related issue, they are always there for you. So whenever you look back, there is always someone for you. I particularly like the doubt test facility a lot because when we solve modules, we have a lot of doubts. I specifically had a lot of doubts, and no matter how silly the doubts were, the doubt test faculties were always ready to clarify our doubts and even tell us the concepts behind it. So that was one additional advantage, that along with the classes that were there, the doubt test facility can also help you with the concepts and the doubts. So I used to come 1 hour early to the class and be at the doubt desk to solve my doubts. So that was very wonderful. First of all, I believe that consistency is the key. So you have to be consistent throughout the journey. It's not a small journey. It's close to, for me, it was close to 1.5 years of preparation. So it's not easy to be consistent throughout the 1.5 years. Secondly, analysis of mocks is very, very important. You need to analyze where you're going wrong, what your weaknesses are, which area you're strong at. So you need to analyze every mock and learn from your mistakes. And third and last most important thing, smart work with determination is very crucial, because I believe that CAT is not just an entrance exam, it's management level 0. So once you learn to manage yourself, once you learn to manage your time, then only you can manage business functions, I believe. So smart work with determination is the last thing. I personally like the GK capsules very much because they used to summarize the entire month's current affairs in a 15-20 minute video and provide it to you on the YouTube channel. I remember that before my interviews, I used to go through the videos, and it actually helped me with the current affairs and the GDs as well. So that was one particular thing that I liked about the YouTube channel of Endeavor. After my CAT examination score was out, I realized that I fell short of 1.5 percentile of my target. So I felt that the journey is over and nothing can be done about it. But then I reached out to my mentor, and he was very supportive, and he said that you still have another examination of that to go. And if you give your 1000% in it, you can still crack and get an Ivy League college. And I remember in those 15 days, I gave my 1000%, and now I'm going to XLRI. First is dreams. So you have dreams of reaching an Ivy college or a particular college. So dreams is one thing. When you reach Endeavor, make sure you have a dream, and Endeavor helps you achieve those dreams. Second is positivity. The total environment at Endeavor is so positive. It's so helpful, whether you be in the classes, whether you be in the reading room itself. So the whole environment is very positive and supportive to you. And third and last is excellence. You strive for excellence. You strive for efficiency. So excellence is the third thing. CAT is a very long journey. I believe that you will fail a lot of times during your CAT preparation. You will feel that your marks aren't up to your goals or your desired endpoint, but you just need to get back up and keep going until you reach your desired score or your desired goal. So I have learned that in these 1.5 years, I learned the thing that never give up. And once you have that attitude, you can achieve anything.